Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings, tap Privacy, then Location Services, and ensure it is enabled for Google Maps. Next, open the Google Maps app and wait while it locates you. Tap the blue location dot to reveal location actions and context. Choose Share and look for Copy Link or Share via WhatsApp options. If you see Share via WhatsApp, tap it and the app will switch to WhatsApp. If not, choose Copy Link and continue to the next steps to paste into WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and select the chat where you want to send the location link. If you used Copy Link, tap the message field and paste the Google Maps URL into the chat box. Confirm the link preview appears and then press Send to share it. If you used Share via WhatsApp earlier, Google Maps will open WhatsApp directly and let you pick the chat. Tap the contact, then send to deliver the live map link instantly to the recipient. To share live movement instead of a static pin, choose Share Location from Google Maps and set a duration like 1 hour. This service will send a live tracking link to your WhatsApp contact for the chosen time. If WhatsApp does not show a link preview, update Google Maps and WhatsApp from the App Store and retry. Also ensure location services and background app refresh are enabled for accurate live sharing. If copying fails,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.